Tesla steering wheel retrofits have started, and it is easy to get rid of your yoke. Tesla Yoke steering wheels are being replaced by round ones thanks to the automaker's new retrofit kit that rolled out last month, and it is a pretty easy process to get the traditional wheel back. After Tesla made the yoke steering standard on new Model S and Model X vehicles a few years back, drivers seemed split on what they'd prefer. It was all a personal preference, but for those who hated driving with the stockless yoke, Tesla started offering the choice of the two when customers would order their vehicles. Now, the whole process has changed. Since Tesla didn't give early buyers the choice, it started offering a retrofit kit on its website last month, which was priced at $700 and sold out within a matter of days. Now, installations are starting, and it seems that the process is extremely easy, especially with the help of Tesla's mobile service division. Out of specs, Kyle Connor purchased the Model S and X round steering wheel retrofit kit from Tesla and had the Loveland, Colorado service team install it for him. The process was stress-free, easy, and fast, as a mobile service tech rolled straight up to his home and took care of the entire installation process for him. Tesla detailed in its initial offering of the round steering wheel retrofit kit that the $700 price tag included installation from a service tech, so it didn't cost anything more than the original fee that Kyle paid. Tesla's mobile service fleet is relatively small, but it's very effective, and having a tech drive out to a customer's house to complete the process makes the process extremely easy. The new retrofitted wheel is slightly different than past Model S and Model X steering wheels. It still is stockless, meaning all controls, including turn signals, horns, and others, are all available through buttons on the steering wheel itself. This is still something some drivers will have to adjust to, but may make the adjustment from yoke to retrofitted round wheel much easier for those who have become accustomed to the stockless design. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati. My take: this should have been an option from day one.